again with me. I will talk in the third journal. This time the topic is about hobbies. Before going into the topic, allow me to introduce myself briefly. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Perzan Mutiara Pazri. You can call me Perzan. So, my hobby is cooking. I have liked this hobby since junior high school, where at the time when I was at home alone because my parents were busy working and my siblings were in college. That's where the idea came from, because my mother only cooked rice while there were no side dishes, so what else could I do between buying or cooking myself? But there I decided to cook myself because the ingredients in the refrigerator were quite complete. But just cook easy once. Since then I have tried to mix food and mix it myself, even though I still ask for help for my mother. From accidental to habit on weekends or when school holiday, at that time I sometimes tried to experiment with trying new dishes. Yes, even though what was made was only snacks, not heavy food, but there I had my own satisfaction that it turned out that it could make it without having to buy it. I try to experiment with food sometimes or weekends or even during my free time, so it can be 3 to 4 times a week. But yeah, as a beginner, so it takes quite a long time to do it, around 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on what is made. For the tools and ingredient used, sometimes I also check the stock in the refrigerator or buy them first at the market. So, it depends on my supplies and desires, but until now, the item I often use are frying pans, containers, spatulas. Why? Because I always make a seafood or snack. When it comes to making cakes, I'm still learning and sometimes I'll feel a lot, so I'm lazy to make them too. But if I really feel burned, sometimes I ask my mother for help or even invite my sister to cook together. But yep, if everyone is busy, it on really on YouTube tutorials and TikTok. With this hobby of mine, I feel happy because I like doing my hobby, and when I'm finished it, I like having my own satisfaction. Because cooking is the same as recharging energy that has been used up. However, for now, after attending college and living away from home, I sometimes relate to my hobby, but I always make time on weekend or when there are no classes that day. Because cooking is my hobby, I also have to be responsible for what I make and eat. In my ingredients, I cook with love and I have to eat in until it runs out. Because if it doesn't run out, we have made an effort to make it. Well, that's when I just understood that every food is full on struggle, so we have to appreciate food. Okay, maybe that's all I can say in the third speaking journal. Thank you. See you on the another question. Bye bye.